Hey, the first time I got sent in, man, the way me get talk about Junior Group, say could go by war, and it fold up your push it.
And you look down upon people. Who are you to judge somebody? Fry my rice in an olive oil before me cook it. I give the rice a nice fluffy flavor to it. Yes, Jaja, yes, guys. I'm here again making me hungry. Me hungry in the morning, yeah. Me did already have this chicken seasoned up from overnight. So, me decided to be hungry this morning and at this me want for them. Right? So, guys, again, if you're on the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the page. Because me, I got cook some curry chicken. Which is right. I want to know see me at the pot, at the stove. We don't know what I want.
There good is.
Alright then. So make me throw up the pot food. But watch it now, the spoon. Watch a spoon. Watch a spoon. This is when you go to 99-cent store and buy a spoon. Shiny man store this. I want some other rice, I'm going to make some olive oil. So I'm going to make some olive oil rice. Olive oil.
Why olive oil?
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yo, me walk it down my gears, you know. See this here? This is my olive oil.
Yeah?
Yeah?
So if I have fucking thing that's something, eh? I'll eat pure and rich stuff.
Yes! I love the curry chicken. Just make up gravy, yeah.
Me say you're funny, you know, man.
No, you're mad, man.
Zimba! Me not call no name, me not fight no finger. Me say you're wine up, man.
Mad, man.
Zimba too?
Nothing like that.
When I tell like my friend Zimba for
Nothing like that, man.
Pass. Zimba. You're too pretty for that, you know, Zimba.
No, man, I like what they think.
I just fun. Fun. You just under your liquor and you just say Ray, right?
I don't like whole man and wine man.
You know that
I don't liquor, I don't hold no man ass. I don't go no man ass.
So all that happen?
Eh?
All that happen?
It's a vibes thing, man.
A vibes thing?
You see me? They have look vibes. They are party. Like when you do a party as a thugs. You see me? You see me?
We did that.
I don't like so. Meow.
Zimba that talk about your touch man.
You go old man, you go rub the ass.
No, but Friday, I'll find a joke.
No man, you got wine against a man.
Oh, beside the minute.
Beside a man. So that's what?
Oh, beside the minute.
Old man ass and wine, you can't.
Yeah.
You must say only my wine.
Oh, what about yourself, yourself? When you come to them, they must do like we here. You see me?
This is Zimba, the only man I want.
Hey, boy.
Hey,
Zimba don't do that.
Hey, the first time I got sent in, man, the way me get talk about Junior Group, say could go by war, and it fold up your push it down. No, me don't kill him. When we complain of that time,
no, we shake him down. We shake him down.
Yeah, and
shake him down.
She will have to say that. So you know you ever complain of me?
I'm going to forget it.
I don't want Christmas Eve, you know.
I don't want
I don't come back for 9 hours.
I don't want Christmas. I miss Precious' birthday.
Yes.
Look there, that's what we did.
Mr. Precious birthday,
when you say
fry the rice. I like to fry my rice before I cook it so that I go on now. So I kind of fry it in some olive oil. Fry my rice in an olive oil before I cook it. I give the rice a nice fluffy flavor to it. So yeah, people, just add water now. Yeah. Just add the water.
So like olive oil, you know, olive oil, what is that?
Eh? Like the olive oil?
Yeah.
Like what?
No, that I cooking one.
Oh.
Olive oil is a church different.
Okay.
Like when you concentrate.
I know the holy alibi is where like where the pastor. Like where the pastor.
No, sir. No, sir. You can alibi different from the one you concentrate, bro. And two different.
Well, hear what happened. You see, after the pastor bless it, a different something. So you are the same olive oil, you know, but the pastor holy fight and sanctimony, you see.
The one that cook with smell different from the one when you rub it with it.
Yeah, I never know. Because they must put, no man, they must put frankincense and myrrh in it too. And you look down upon people. Who are you to judge somebody? Let me tell you something. Looking at my job, you know, I'm telling you something about my job. I'm telling you something about my job. You see the church people, them, and my job are the most wickedest set of people, they them.
Jesus Christ, now come, I'm not giving 2 minutes.
You know, man, you have some of them who see the thing,
church people are the most wickedest, and they walk around like say, they shit can't make party, but then shit can't make no party.
When they ask, step up in the ear.
And their mouth said so.
Yeah.
And wicked. A wickedness them, man. A nastiness them.
I love when they get that Holy Ghost, you see, man. I love it.
Let me tell you something. Me grew up in a church. Me grew up in a church. I'm a strongly believer. But you see what going in a church now? Them are not Christian. I bet you. I tell you why them are bench warmer.
Yes.
And don't forget to, where you say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to 1 Yardie. Not 2 Yardie, you know. 1 Yardie. Because right now me there.
Speak all truth.
Speak all truth. Some of you don't go like with the talk.
This one next time near Yardie sitting there.
Yard something.
One boy that go to eat food.
Yeah man. Yeah, because before we have 1 Yardie. 1, not 2 Yardie, no 1 Yardie. Because you know say yard life sweet. But me tell you something, I'm afraid that I'm challenging. One time I give a story again. That you tell people, say, me no listen to it because you know what? The same Jamaican them down here, we are a roof Trump, but the same one that cost the for them prime minister and it's no different. It was I go in America, what's the down where I go in Jamaica? It's the most corruption I go on. I mean, so Andrew Wallace, I don't know, Andrew Wallace cannot take money and give it. If Andrew will take money, can nothing not free in America. When they did give us, them and give away free money. When you file your tax, they take it back from you. Nothing not free in America. I say any day Jamaica come up with tax. Tax.
You watch news last night? No, you watch news last night? What are you talking about?
Who you have to represent? Who no have to represent? Wait, let me ask you. Wait, let me ask you. Why? Let me ask you. What him gonna do different? Let me ask you a question. First of all, the country, we don't understand. That man, me not hear me say nothing. No. What he said. No. What he say about the phone? Because that same thing Trump run for him. Trump only criticized the other party and he never put nothing in place. So what he put in place soon?
Imagine making place we have better Jamaica.
How?
By giving all the people them what they want.
What they want? What is it?
Most people need water.
So you say underwater plan.
Eh?
So Andrew no So before Andrew wait, stop. Can we have something for now? What we that I want, mister? Wait.
Well, then, I used to be.
Wait, shut your mouth, young boy.
I tell me what I'm
Me 43-year-old. A 14 years. If please I stand correct. PMP run the 18 years. PMP run this country for. And what we accomplished in the 8 year where Andrew have, we never accomplished none of it. Matter of fact, Andrew have here correct PJ and Porsche errors them because they did make highway without exit. Andrew fix it. Most of the things, all the land what you see sell out, cement factory, flour factory, the airline was done by the PMP party. So stop listening to the foolishness and go Google stuff. No, that's why they say when they keep uneducated, they will ever go and hold the country down.
He makes 70
Rest
years
my
this
case.
nurse.
You can't have a politician where say
I don't have a
business with a thief.
The GDP, PJ, take no money and go buy up land in a Guyana. Hello, and that's no in fact. Porsche cannot present the money for the airline and you know when they say Porsche say me have dementia.
What Andrew?
They said because Andrew now borrow money, Andrew pay back the IMF the money if not
So why Andrew
Andrew in a court because he threatened the man and tell his man to sue him for definition of character and he have to shut it down.
Yes, I have promised that your man have tried to get that one.
Yes, he put the room I know.
Fabricating.
And his prime minister come out, he say, Andrew, I agree with people, you know, you notice him a gangster me like him, he just come out and say, I will be taking you to court for definition of character. Defamation of character. You know what that means? Like Mr. Love spread rumors, tell lie on people. Any day somebody care, so for instance, somebody tell lie on you, and they can prove it, they can tell you go court and sue you. Know the law before no talk.
And I took pair of shoes.
Oh, wait a second. And so Andrew said, you know, people tell lie about me so they can't go sue me.
No, if somebody Andrew do it, that's the law.
That's law, long time that thing. Everything will be born to the blood.
They don't know the Jamaican don't know the law. That is the problem.
Tell me something now. Tell me something now. For me, a boy girl, me have sense and me have everything we are going. And me understand things. But me not really hear the argument for conflict business because all of them live like
you're young enough to go educate yourself for the Zimba.
So alright, listen to me.
And I want you to stop think like what Mr. People and think
so why every time when PMP are running is something there, all part open.
You know,
when win, it shut down.
Alpart is shut down company. You know why? Alpart is destroying the country.
No.
When we send off, you see this asbestos. You see most of them around there have cancer. You see the asbestos. You see what Andrew said. If you cannot control the asbestos, and you cannot control the sickness of the kids them around there and the people, shut it down.
But Auntie, listen to me now. Look at the one we pass, we go to St.Ann. Look at it, right there the clinging.
But here what? He can't get all of them shut down one time. It's what the asbestos do. Here what too. Here what happened too. Hear about it too. Them sign a contract years before me and you born. For sell it for 2 pounds and penny. The aluminum for 2 pounds and penny. And that contract not expire yet. And that's only thing. But you didn't know 2 pounds and penny?
I hear about it.
Okay. So if you only get 2 pounds and penny till this day for your aluminum, you make them take away like it to your country?
No, sir.
So if you don't know the facts behind it, you understand what I'm saying? Imagine, remember say a lot of us, include myself, Jamaican never educated in that time. So when they were signing things, the white man come, make them sign this, and another Jamaica them do it too. Haiti happened too. That's why Haiti is a problem. Jamaicans won't like a Haiti soon, you know? Because the people they don't educate themselves and understand that these people are. Look at Africa. You think Africa poor?
Africa?
Do you think Africa is a poor country?
It would be a poor country.
No, do you think?
No, Africa is not a poor country. Haiti can place a poor country.
Haiti is not poor. Haiti have everything and more than what Jamaica have. But guess what? And come and take it from them, and that's what them a fight revolution. You know why Haiti go around? By killing their own people.
Oh.
Haiti make we free. Haiti make most country free today. Haiti lead the revolution.
Okay.
So if you don't know, you'll again get off of these platforms and start researching things. You see education. If a police step tell you what you know, so you know the law, you know.
You're right.
And because they know there's a. Did you know that you ever read the Constitution of Jamaica yet?
No, man.
Take out your phone and Google at the Constitution of Jamaica. As long as you know the Constitution, you know your rights. And guess what? Jamaica do not teach let kids know the Constitution. When I was going to school, I never hear about Constitution. So, how you going to people gonna move forward when they don't know their rights? Not even the police officer them don't know their rights. Because sometimes people read the rights, them police and the police them don't look at it because they don't know that there is a constitution. You see the same constitution there in England? And the same one there, only some things they made in a heap. England write the constitution, England make the law for Jamaica. So if England make the law is similar to the one in England.
Yeah.
And the one that, remember, it never changed, there is amendment to it. But there's a lot of things that, you think, first of all, a police is supposed to just come in and kick your door without a search warrant, you know. It's in. The police is supposed to put their hand on you.
I'm trying to show you. Why Andrew is making us yes Lagwan?
And Andrew again, the defense, Minister of Defense. You see, that's a pretty thing that Trump, is the only thing where Trump them talk, Trump don't have the right that people think he have. You understand me? You have checks and balance, and that the people. Andrew is only a puppet up there. Look now. You see all of them money you want to put in the area, and them are the problem. You have a Minister of Finance, a Minister of Health. Them have to bring the report to Andrew and say this is what going on. And in a Congress, you tell you how the hypocrite catch you now. Now they don't know about politics. Here what happen now. There's a Congress and there is the House.
Yeah.
You see all of them in the House. You see sit down and go. The whole of them agree to it behind closed door, and then no fool no behind no back. Until Jamaica wake up. When Andrew did that give out the raise, did you hear nobody say no about the raise?
Andrew alone say nothing now.
Wait, no.
Look at the raise not that.
700% raise for all public workers and whatever.
Politicians.
The board party
Keep on know about why you say about the bill? Can you know about
what the
So
So what the best we have controlling you? What the best we have controlling a person?
What the best we have controlling a person?
Fool you.
Yeah, man, you're right. You're growing them.
When they did get that big raise, we never hear no PMP go, no, if it don't happen.
So wait, raise go on?
What
you know about that country?
Don't answer the question if raise go on.
Yes.
Where raise is not about?
Percent raise for
Wait,
the
raise we have like hospitals and workers.
No, politicians. Let's say a politician is collecting 20 million, 10 million a year.
Yeah.
They raise to 20 million a year per person. We never hear about
Okay, so we don't care about that.
Andrew alone say
You
no.
only have that 15,000 a week and you know make what? 100,000.
But that is foolishness. Why do I make we get free?
I know him.
Oh.
But Andrew, when Andrew gonna power this 7,000 since he going there 15,000, so you gonna cost him for?
That minimum wage in Canada.
In America, me tell you how no fool. It's in America, minimum wage you can't pay your bills, you know. Just like how you can't pay your bills here.
Okay.
If you work minimum wage in America, you're
Me want to
homeless.
ask him about why you
Well, we just, alright. Well, me not rate me like the party.
You like the party?
Me not like,
You know what? And you see the person we are gonna hear.
I don't
like
like
people.
No. Here what?
Tell me what I do.
You know, they got curry goat and white rice the last time.
What I do? Tell me, if I give you one,
One Mr. People only get curry goat and white rice, and then look there. The person who are run the area, now give them nothing, you know. A curry goat and white rice.
PMP not have nothing. You see,
PMP
PMP not have nothing, you know.
What?
And Labour right have everything.
What?
No!
Oh, me.
When something go to you know what? Deal with it.
Why do you write down everything?
And Labour right have PMP have nothing.
Why you say that?
Even though Labour right in a power, PMP get the money to do the same thing when the Labour right have.
Did you know that PJ Pan is one of the richest prime ministers ever in Jamaica? You know that?
No man.
Did you know that? PJ Pan is one of the richest prime ministers who passed through Jamaica Parliament.
Rich!
So be careful what you say. Mark Golding, people know a millionaire.
Mark Gold a white man.
A millionaire them.
A millionaire. Mark
So
Gold
let me
is supposed to represent me, a white man, a British citizen.
That means say that.
So I don't know that question. You ever do this?
Do the school, okay.
Do the school.
Me
Money right there, my PMP.
Do the school ka PMP.
No.
Do the school what?
I labor right. I'm building.
Do the school ka Labour right?
You see, I don't know how to go. Not Tivoli Garden, man. Which PMP you know come on Tivoli Garden, bro? You don't know what going in that country, bro.
You tell us what they hear, so don't want to say. You grew up in a woman, say you hear the night.
And guess what? The man get
Do you know the road in front of precious and me make it get fixed?
I will fix it.
And me make it get fixed. They come there one day now, two side come there and me sit down there. Tell me come from America, me sit down here.
Me ask you outside fix it.
Labor right fix it.
Oh.
Okay, so me sit down there and them attack and then they buy the give people them. Sit down there and they ask me need that. Me say we attack. So fix the road. Bring water. Stop come buy the people them stuff. Mr. Welcome will tap take the liquor and start asking the fundamental stuff we don't need in the community.
Yes.
Stop that because when they go on an election over and you see one say,
I understand Kimba still.
I respect you but you need to educate yourself.
You can't stop because you say you go for a party.
I respect
you have a reason why.
You don't have a reason.
Liberal party not like
Don't do it because they come and they say, what PMP do for the past 18 years to the country? Answer me.
They do all that.
What? And tell me what it is. We want to know. And we don't know, so we want to know.
People do all that. So it's a people that don't know the gas and
everything that the Jamaica had, even their aluminum was sold by the private. We don't want it. You know, so we don't want it.
And since when they come in and say, "Imam build one hospital," how much hospital?
Well, at Cuba, Billy Hospital, them.
Oh, and
at Cuba, Billy School and Hospital, them.
PMP.
Tell you about Billy School and Hospital.
PMP.
Make older people, make people who are older than you tell you the truth. Not tell what Mr. Bongbong them.
PMP inherit them.
Hello.
I don't know PMP.
Hello. What? Hello.
What hospital you know them?
But Google who build the schools and the hospital in Jamaica in the 19 whatever you will find out.
70s.
You don't need to know what's going on. Me say.
Alright.
No, get me wrong now. Michael Manley was one of the greatest Prime Minister in Jamaica.
Okay.
You know why I say that? And I respect him.
Oh.
You understand me? But you see, PJ was one of the worst Prime Minister Jamaica have ever seen.
Portia was MPP.
And Portia should even become Prime Minister.
Portia, losing seat or him set though?
No, Portia had to Portia was never supposed to represent.
So you sound like you don't have no respect for the law.
Oh yeah, what? Where's some more respect?
So like you don't have no respect for the law.
I'm full of respect for the law. Now first thing first, I'm not going to argue with the police. Let me tell you something.
Are you say you have to wild them up now?
Yes, as when they come and attack me.
Raja, look at your food.
As when they come and attack me, Raja.
Yeah.
Food look good.
Yeah.
May I talk about your food here, Raja? No, I want what I want.
You can't believe your stepfather.
Hello.
Keep himself.
Hello, it doesn't matter.
Because from them, I come to them and live right. I'm the stepfather dead.
It doesn't
And
matter.
they go and beg you to help.
I didn't go make you marry you.
No, no. What are you taxing? They did it, and they will do it for.
No.
Give we help who we want.
That not no go so. Go walk. Go walk.
You do for help with when we need.
Not no go so.
So alright then, bam. This and that. So them free of cost them. So when people.
You pay tax?
Yeah. How many pay tax?
You pay your tax?
How many family pay tax?
How much tax you pay?
Me a tax?
Oh yeah, how much tax Jamaica pay? A tax
Me pay money per tax.
Show me your
Can
receipt.
you buy one bag of feed till the supermarket?
You buy what? $10 tax?
Oh, your tax. So you pay tax.
But what I'm saying, listen. Everybody is responsible to bury their own dead. The government burial, the government burial. Sometimes out of the good of his heart. If you're dead.
They're not burying nobody in America. So we want to do it in Jamaica.
What when you see police killing wrongfully, the government will step in and take it over.
Yes.
Sometimes when MP help bury other people or that good.
I vote him a look.
Good.
Yeah, it's not because they're obligated to bury nobody.
There's no government in the world obligated.
They talk it. They keep meeting in the community.
I never tell you.
Auntie, they keep meeting in the community and them talk it well and what they will help the people them do.
I never tell you.
They tell me say they not. So a person talk. How many if they talk it?
What are we to rascal?
Them talk so they will help. They will
Zimba,
help school
Zimba,
people them.
Zimba,
Help send them to college.
Zimba, I want you to
Help
stop.
them for food.
But Zimba,
I show you.
Zimba, we live in one of the greatest countries country in the world. And me, running a hard times and went to the government and he tell me saying he can't help me. At the same time, the government was taking half of my check. No government no help you. Jamaica don't help you.
Vote for them if they can't help with.
That's why I'm in that.
No, no,
Ask yourself that.
Why you not vote if they can't help with?
Me know why we
But where if he help you? So you think that Jamaica can't? Well,
why do you vote?
so if every Jamaica.
You vote for the party that do the right thing.
No, if every
And
Jamaica.
everyone that Jamaica can do fix. You know so what I want.
Me not vote for
Well,
me not vote for nobody when not help me. Same time, we not help nobody when not help me. I vote for nobody when not help me.
So if you go,
everybody in
make me
the
say, you never sent it.
But that's that.
You never sent it. Make me say your host up and blow, right? In a stop. So if you come and fix back your host up and have one feel.
Yeah.
Then come in and they.
No, me answer yes or no. If you come and fix back your house.
If Andrew is
I put on new thing, you have one thing. You have one thing.
if you come and fix up my house and put on new roof.
And everything,
And
yeah. And go and crackers and fix up your house and buzz your house.
That
You have one thing.
preference.
You have one thing.
Yes, you don't give me preference.
So you're thinking about your individual gain.
No.
You're not thinking about the country.
No!
You
No! Me not vote for you.
Vote for you.
Me not gonna vote for you.
I'm
I'm gonna go ahead and vote for who me want to vote for.
So how much I vote then?
Eh?
How much I vote?
One.
You know, I never voted in my life except for Obama, right?
You never vote no day?
Except Obama. And for Kamala Harris.
Keep my office.
Because you know what?
Study what go on.
You know why? I don't listen to people, I look to facts.
Well,
Okay.
and nobody force me. I tell me what to do. Me still have to do.
Jamaica, if Jamaica, all the people there, you don't know. You see all the woman there?
Watch your channel. Watch your
Woman
channel.
there. You see all the Jamaican woman there?
Shut up,
You see all the Jamaican
I
woman
don't
there?
know, not you.
We have them 10, 5, no, 10, 5 or 80 people and I say government need to open a big pussy and happy me so much time. Okay. You go lie down and fuck so much time and happy. Why would the government? Why help you? Tell me now, you have the picnic them and you expect the government to take care of your picnic them?
They go ahead and help. They help.
So you know what resources of young people like
Government help.
you know what plan about
Because you're not educated
They
yourself.
help because they have from me I go to high school, a free part lunch, primary school. Me never miss a day after school.
When?
Free! In a PMP time.
In a PMP
In a same way, you know. Free part lunch, free taxi fare, bus fare. Watch out. Seriously? Free every bus I come pick from my yard. Free. And since now, me see picking them I go bus shed, I walk through my company, I go take taxi. Bus stop run. Bus stop run, free picking them. A taxi man go bus shed, go take now.
Hello.
And the MP for your area,
That is bullshit. Every fucking rural country our JUTC bus.
hello, you know that tell you see the MP tell us say that big belly boy over there?
Oh.
The big belly, bad belly rat.
Him good man.
You know good?
Him good man.
But tell us say that the prime minister, the problem is the person who around the area.
You know that they have JUTC bus around and people can't pick in at school now.
Me tell you some used to go to school.
Whenever you happen.
Me tell you some used to go to school. The school have a bus over there called Davil and Axe Davil. And they will work at the school where used to go. I am the gate man there.
Listen, when
The
Trump
security
win,
guard.
see me here.
Me
So
never-
the Jamaican over there, everybody black people now, them a ball like a bumbo fuck.
No,
So black
they can't ball for that.
So he said, no more food stamp.
And he said in Black History Month, in Black Lives Matters.
No.
In Cancer Black Lives
He
Matters.
said, think you want public house? And 1 year not giving it, you come out of it.
That nice, tell me something, that nice? That nice? That nice? Better back then. Everybody went to know
So Kimba, more answer a question. I'm going to give you a legit answer. What PMP do for you?
Eh?
$5,000.
No,
$5,000.
I still don't pay big for me. No, what do for me, you know. What do for my family.
For your family.
What me like about.
So it's individual, personal gain you're thinking about.
Huh?
Hey,
my sexy PFI.
Is there?
I'm not going to do
Why?
Back in the Corona time.
Why? I am blame Andrew for that now.
Eh?
I am blame
No, I'm not being Andrew.
But
Where the hell? Do for me too.
But Andrew didn't have power.
No, I know him do it. I know labor right and help do it.
Oh.
You see me? And the PMP man come and say.
Because here, no matter who in a power, then get the money.
Where PMP man come on? Where PMP man?
So I'm going to share my own.
So you call it olive oil rice?
Food look good. Taste to see what I'm going on, man.
You can't share it, you can't.
So that one a bitch. So that them a look component for the I'm seeing now.
No, pass. I mean,
You come and Spanish town and you lose your life.
you lose the light.
Enough that's right, new old. Yeah, they say old broom, new broom, so sweep clean, but old broom no can.
So tell me how my food tastes.
Food up.
Alright then.
10 out of 10 minus nothing.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, that
Minus
difference.
nothing.
Zero. Você põe a mulher.
What about me?
What about you? Quase.
Junior! You stink like a dog shit.
But I come and have to blood time. I come and get enough to blow the float now.
Yeah man, you put it that
Can't
way.
add me enough is there all alone.
My pussy has enough.
My dad? Where's the eat?
Oh, yummy.
Oh, in Yami, in the eat. In Yami.
Yummy.
Yeah. Fuck you, bitch. Mind your wife,
Yummy.
So, how about Juna meet there while here?
Hey, I'm video
Which
last
way I meet there while here?
Tell the story. Tell the story.
Me want to hear, which way I meet there?
Well,
Because we are Nyama. Juna and Nyami out of business.
hey,
So, we say, I got sent later.
brother, when the girl said to that man lose that girl. So I have the junior and me. That man up to it.
Oh, no, you want it.
Good.
But Juna win the girl.
So wait tell me,
That
wait
means
till
Juna
you
eat.
say now.
That means Juna eat.
Me now say what we think about, where that feel say?
Then I must.
Okay.
That man never
Let's put
okay.
that in the saddle.
That man say no. You not say yes.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm not a man.
Yeah.
No, sir.
So you get it.
So we are say, you better hacks man then.
You better
You think better
No,
hacks.
not in 6 months. No,
You have to go with that.
Yeah, I never sex.
Huh?
So the man is up in them.
You can run.
You can't go with that. Need to
No, Junior.
How can that man is
So we Maurice.
Junior carry me.
We Maurice food there. Where?
Every day, no,
Me got what I need, brother. Come
So
here.
Junior, where say you ain't gonna never have sex then?
No, at all. Not even that.
So where you carry your woman then?
Eh?
Where you carry your woman?
I want you to come back.
When you come back, you have sex with her?
So how do man just see you all like? You never look on her no way.
No, that's wrong.
You know, you have to do that for one.
No, no, so I don't want that.
Good luck. Hey!
Yummy woman.
Between woman is look pa naman alap. Alap ba kayo material? Well, let's go to the fact and say, can't do a girl with that number, you're good.
Did you want to come to your guy airport? You go come back here and fair enough for me number.
See how are you?
Yeah, she just like a good boy.
Yeah. I should go when she reach, she has to take me to reach. And that yeah, today.
You should come
So you're throwing like a salt like man.
Yeah,
Game. You never tell you, boy, I want to boy man, you can't fuck.
that even to the boy.
No man, I'm not dancing.
Yo, even to the boy, so I'm sure that. Where else that? That's all, sir.
I'm not judging.
So yeah, make this up, yeah, make things out. We drink. I went to go ice tea.
Yeah.
I think guys, even.
You're never married, man.
Oh, yeah, the church.
I agree with my love.
But I mean, I don't believe Jonas say never taste it.
No man, you see I come down, right?
You don't have to get that.
So you come down, say,
Yeah,
everything, man.
You may have
I have one girlfriend there, you know, we talk everything, you know.
You know, no better tonight, we can give it some skill.
No man, Chucky, I mean,
You don't have to come now.
You have to come down with you.
Come now.
yeah man. You have a girlfriend down there, you know, we're gonna talk everything, you know.
That one I get over bun.
Eh?
Should I get over bun?
No man, no bother.
You remember me, man?
You see him one.
10-10 win.
Eh?
10-10
You see
win.
him kitty there.
Go.
Same kitty.
Who?
And same kitty me I talk about, man. The kitty they used to call him first. Same kitty where I'll show you how we say man over. What do you want? What about they say? Me no want you call me name and make nobody know something they own. And you tell me. Okay. And you and them power phone and post me up on status like you see you. Yeah, you post me on status there.
Yeah, man.
Like you know that girl. You post me youth. Eh? What kind of style that?
Are you got food?
You buy food, give me man, you post guy, man. Eh?
Now you buy food, actually.
You buy food, give me man.
Why man have a post here eat? Can I eat that this time?
Then I said, my post my eat man.
Eh? I post man, I eat.
Yeah, eat man.
How they play that?
Yeah, eat man.
Eat man.
Yeah.
No, why? Put on that. No.
You say my post I eat man.
I post me, I eat.
Man. Man, I say,
You don't mean that. Why don't mind guys up there? You don't mean
What you
that.
say?
Man, eat man, brother.
I will ask me to do this and I get me sitting there and do hey, what's that? You went that close.
They didn't give the brother.
So, I'm telling you, you say, yeah, eat man.
We are driving and Mr. Sarah said the man running at him. We say, yo, the man running at you. Yo, why you say that man? I said, okay, I eat that thing.
No, I never really say, Mr. Man, come then.
Come in.
You see, man coming at you.
So you say man coming at you.
One man, I say, all them blow the man still coming at him. One man, I say, all them blow the man still coming at him.
Coming at you.
Yeah.
Mine is not flat.
Me rise and come here with you.
Coming at you.
I'll go down there and flat.
I you talking about
Ali coming.
All the blow you come here.
Blow me a blow.
No, stand up.
Why is that? Look when he coming at your door.
I have one idea already. Yeah, baby now.
Yeah, good for you.
Get him come back.
Right.
What show them about? Them face are 10 grand for a blouse and skirt bar.
We're rich.
What do you feel like?
We're out and stunting.
We're not rich, we help ourselves.
We help ourselves.
Yes, that's why we're on TikTok, we are beg.
We are beggars.
See,
We don't want bar budget. We don't want bar.
see that?
Bring that home and
Yeah.
That's all.
I no joke shit, see that? I no water in them, see that?
Bacard and lemon.
Yes, yeah, man.
We are giving Bacard and lemon. And we just done eat some curry chicken
See that? See
and white
that?
rice.
Right there.
And look here, show them the food. Show them the type of food that we are throwing.
I know boy thing, see that?
Yeah, man.
I know play thing, yeah. I know fall food,
and a whole thing.
yeah. Chicken. Yeah,
Make them know what I want.
you know, say we are not shake, we don't nervous.
No, sir.
Yeah, we don't have enough of this.
Right.
Radam.
Yeah, man.
We out and stunting.
I can show them the salt of my boy you make drinks.
Oh, this time that we do that, you would have
Make him drink.
See that babes, it's salt, listen up. The man take your mixed drinks and take an iced tea. So you put your mouth, he want puke.
Me I tell you the thing you use and make what you call it?
Iced tea.
When we cook the food.
Where's the this?
He say best food you eat that watch your when we cook your
And what
watch.
about cookie fish, man? It's soft and cookie. Yeah, fish and it does. Mash up. Like a box fish, man.
Yeah man, cause Maurice, they say fish touch, you know.
Yeah. No, it's a bit easy, but you know what?
Where's the fish?
It's soft.
Fire parts of that way.
When Maurice tastes which Maurice says something wrong, that's why he never take it, you know.
There's something wrong in every jar. I do a box fish.
A bag fish, but me I tell you, and the food that tastes good on the watch people can't cook Raja.
Watching group.
We never like it goat meat, Raja. Goat that tastes like a ram goat.
We never really go to now. Never cook it.
It's like a sheep.
It tastes like a one sheep.
Soup or real ram good soup.
So, hey,
What you mean?
You put the seed in a ram soup.
No?
How about this?
We get chicken.
Soup bad.
I cook every fucking
Bad,
day.
We get chicken.
Yo, it's soup bad, you know?
Oh, wait,
soup.
Yo, it's soup, man. I drink all 10 cup of soup.
You see the man who come with your sister?
Who?
The brown man? Yeah, man. The lady,
Yeah, we come with who?
the lady and your sister?
No, I
The
can't.
auntie.
The auntie.
Oh,
The
yeah.
man tell man to take out the pot and run with it.
Yo, who the soup bad, man?
Yeah, man. If that come back and say, where's spoon? Give me the spoon.
No, man, when he come, he say, me can't have the service, serve yourself.
Yeah,
Like
man,
Margaret's
the soup,
soup.
sir, it's about 4 cup of soup me drink, you know?
I mean, cook everything, man.
The soup, they turn up,
When you
man.
want to pour a cup, we about 18
We
cups.
just bake some like when I fish.
The only thing I do, well, we fry the fish. The only thing I do is jerk chicken.
You say we go up
The
apply.
fish nice so it's
We
season.
go up apply the next
This
year.
is-
But
Roger.
we don't find none of the fish.
Next year we go up Roger. Up apply.
Finish the soup.
Wash out the pot, you know.
Finish the soup, man.
You drink out every night.
Why
Drink
soup
on
bad?
the Me, Junior, and my Maris just finish.
Nice.
Hot your pan drink.
Jesus
So
Christ!
soup everything there?
Oh, man.
I mean,
When they have soup up there, though.
you know that.
Nice soup
We
everything.
go finish it.
Suppose me tell you say me cook the soup, I don't take a cup.
Eh?
Soup bad, man.
Drink,
Me
man.
barely eat no food, bro.
Drink.
Too bad, brother.
The soup turn up.
Everybody tell me that.
Too bad, man. Too turn up. You know, salt. You know, fresh.
And then the man that's the same
You know,
place.
it's a bit and real.
Man.
Me season it.
Yeah.
You know, it was just on point.
Mm-hmm.
Everything I'm going to
We
do.
don't want nothing like
See
it.
why when you do a restaurant of something?
Yeah, man.
Some baby away there. Some me just know
You know, in the restaurant in America, too much rent and too much. The thing is that
No,
I don't do
the fine
business in
is-
America.
the fine is-
The thing is that there's too much fees and this
The
and
point
that.
is, the point
And
is,
US public health going
Ah, kind
chunk,
of this
there are
and then
chunk, there are
yeah,
chunk, there are chunk.
You
No,
can't
I go
bother,
to
man.
a restaurant to come and
There are
eat.
chunk, man, Jonas, I say where you
Are you
stay.
hungry?
Here,
That is the
that
point.
we can't.
I
You
see
only,
him
you
lay back
just
and
leave
back.
and do only alone.
The man, there are chunk, but the same thing, so you don't expect better.
No, I the same thing.
I mean, I same thing, I
I just
see the
say,
same
I just say, I welcome home all my deportees.
Hey.
Come back, we need
Expertise.
expertise in our country.
Mhm.
Some send them, Andrew don't send them nobody.
So, eh.
Andrew don't send them nobody, you want deport out that country.
And you want the port, but
You
you're
want to send that
anti.
Guantanamo Bay.
I want to know here we are sending
Yeah,
you.
say you got Guantanamo Bay.
Well, I don't that Kingston City matter. You can't go find one labor right down there, so we can go down there anytime.
When?
Okay?
When?
Me I tell you that?
You better man where I say.
Okay?
See, like how the junior fear to be anything, I saw them a fear. I want to them jump on for labor, because them get the money.
Hello, you see all the bag walk Spanish town and place there.
Where?
Opposite them place there, you
Where?
know where I do.
Well, I'm actually go. Well, I let jump.
Well, you don't know who you be. You don't know who you be. For him, mother, you know.
You cut him
No,
in.
roll with when you have Siaga, you know. Siaga right hand one that, you
Shiny
know.
one.
So the lightweight you look for, you know. So watch yourself, you know, that.
That's how we have politics.
Hey!
Okay.
You know, when I take the politics serious, man.
I said about tricks. You know what I said? Wait. You see, if they ever fuck up, you're not free to tell us.
If they fuck.
Yeah, when they fuck up.
Anybody, if Democrat mess up, they mess up. If
Yeah.
Republican mess up,
Yeah.
but I cannot see where PMP have done for Jamaica.
Oh! I think with this now.
Lick me anything, man.
Remember the same guy there, but when they go in big old tall building where we live in the blind, we go, look at that man, the disgrace, and do all this.
Which man?
You know, remember the building where they go? With me and Marison.
Him, you see him now, him a
Okay.
can artist.
Can artist.
No, him. You see when people don't get when they don't